Hello and welcome to Enterprise University. In the first part of this exercise, we will learn how to configure the inventory as our commission source. The inventory item is the fourth level in the commission structure in Interprise Suite. We can set up the commission percent per inventory item and have an item-specific commission percent for sales representatives. Each inventory can have its own unique commission percent, allowing us to apply a bigger commission for items with higher markup percentage or smaller commissions for items with a lower markup. To enable commissions from the inventory item, we will need to configure it from the customer ship to and into customer billing, then into inventory item and add an item-specific commission percent. The inventory class templates provides the default commission source for new items, and this is usually set to sales representatives. We can modify the default commission source and commission percent and set this to inventory for new items, and modify the commission source and commission percent in the inventory detail form for existing items. We will modify the commission source for two existing items. Set this to inventory. From the inventory module, click on the item menu and select Find Item. A search list of inventory items will display. We will select an item with a high markup percent. Let's switch to the Setup tab. We will find an option to set the item as commissionable. The commissionable field marks an item as non-commissionable. However, commissions from the ship to a customer or sales representative may still be applied. This information is available in the sales order forms, and we can always change the default commission percent applied to non-commissionable items. If the item is commissionable, we can specify the source for sales representative commissions in the com type field. The options are sales representative and inventory. If inventory, we can specify the default commission percent for the inventory item. If sales representative, the system will get the commission percent from the sales representative group, if any. Otherwise, there will be no default commission percent for new sales transactions. In this example, we will set the commission source inventory and enter 12% commission. This will become the default commission on customer orders that include this item. Let's save and close the inventory item. Let's go back to the inventory item search list and select an item with a lower markup percent. Then switch to the Setup tab again. In the com type field, let's select inventory from the options and enter 5% commission. And let's save and close. We will modify the commission source for the customer and set this to default. From the customer module, click on the customer menu and select Find Customers. In the Bill to Customers tab, select a customer in the list to display the customer detail form. We will modify the commission source from the Ship to. Go to the Ship to tab, double-click on the Ship to code to load the Ship to detail form. Switch to the Setup tab and change the commission value to default. We can optionally do the same for all other Ship to addresses of the customer. Save and close the Ship to detail form. Going back to the customer detail form, let's switch to the Setup tab. In the sales representative field, we can select a sales representative to assign the customer if we haven't done so in the customer setup. In the commission field, we will set the value to default to let the system look for the default commission in the inventory items. Let's save and close the customer detail form. When asked to update the detail of the customer shipped to, we will select yes to apply the changes we made to all the customer shipping information of the customer. Let's create a new sales order for the customer and items we modified. In the inventory tab, let's select the two items we modified. Switch to the Sales Representative tab and the Commissions tab. We will find commission percent we specified in the inventory item is applied to the order of the customer. We can modify and override the default commission percent if needed. We will discuss this more in the next exercise. Thank you for watching. In the next exercise, we will learn how to process and pay sales representative commissions.